How's it going, everyone? Alright, so last week we did splits. We introduced our queens. We're going to take a look at them, make sure that they have released them, see if they're laying, check food stores and things of that nature. So these are the 6 colonies right here that we did last week. So let's break into them and see where they are at. Hopefully all the queens have been released. We have not been in them. It's been really hot here. This one is released. Little smoke. Usually don't work in shorts and work in t-shirts a lot, but most of the time you guys see me in jackets. Now you got to make sure you know your bees. If you're going to be doing anything in the way of shorts or things, you don't want to be ate up. So we got eggs down here, looking good. Let's see if we can spot the queen. Lots of eggs, larvae. Some cap brood up here. She's definitely laying. Good pattern. Happy with that. Alright, there we go. Just a good laying pattern. Everything is full right here. Cap brood, as you can see, the cap brood here. Larvae down there in the cells. Everything is filled up. She is going to town. Good nutrition, young. Got food. Completely full of food right here. We were feeding them, and now we're in a little bit of a fall flow around this area. They haven't been taking it, so we'll let Mother Nature do what she does. But they are getting full, heavy. That's what we want them to backfill everything as much as possible. Get a whole bunch of food stores on them ready for winter. Look at this. This brood all right through here, and then they have food right on this side. Really calm bees. Very good. Pleased with this one. Got pollen on them, so they can build the bees. This cap brood. Cap brood food. It's very nice. Didn't spot her yet. Shouldn't be that hard. It's not a jam-packed hive, but you know. Because sometimes how queen spotting goes. Oh, there she is. There's a beauty. Let me show you. Right there. A beautiful golden girl right there. She is looking good. She's laying very well though. That's what we like to see though in the late summer going into fall. Getting those winter bees ready. Good food though. We'll keep monitoring their food. Keep looking for their laying. We'll get her a mark on her so she's easier to see. But I just want to show you guys a update on how the queens are doing that we introduced. Beautiful frames full of eggs. Alright, y'all have a good one. We'll catch you on the next one. See ya.